Alright, so let's take a look at some of these homework problems on our identifying intervals on a function where it's increasing, decreasing, or constant. Alright, so we can try to relate it to our days of Algebra 1, and positive or negative slope might be the easiest way for you to initially think about it. I always start on the left side of the graph. When I come in and I hit this arrow, I have to interpret what that arrow means. It gives me two pieces of information. It tells me that there's a horizontal component and a vertical component, that you're not only going up, but you're also going to the left. So it's going to be convenient for me to think of that separately, to just as going to the left or going up. And on the right hand side here, same interpretation. This is going up and to the right, so it's going to the right and it's going up. Alright, so I can see as I enter the graph on the left, I hit this arrow, and then I'm coming down, 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 down till I hit a point here. So I want to describe this shaded region, because if you pick any 2 points in this shaded region, as you move to the left, you're going down, and it's the y values that determine whether our function is increasing or decreasing. Since the y values are going down, x is increasing, y is decreasing, this function is decreasing. So it's decreasing on the interval. When you hit that arrow, that's a negative infinity, all the way up to the x coordinate of that point where it changes. So then after we hit the origin, we start going up all the way through that arrow. So for any 2 values that are in this yellow shaded region, as x increases, y is also increasing. So we say the function is increasing over this interval. We describe this interval using x coordinates, not y coordinates. The x coordinate here at the origin is 0, and it's going all the way out to positive infinity. We don't see any consecutive points, portion on the graph where the graph is horizontal, where it's constant. When they're asking us about if a function is even or odd, they're asking us about symmetry. Even functions are symmetric with respect to the y-axis. The left-hand side and the right-hand side will be mirror images of each other. Odd functions are symmetric about the origin. So when you rotate at 180 degrees, if you get the same graph, then you know it's an odd function. So since the left-hand side is a mirror image of the right-hand side, we know this to be an even function. All right.